Hey friends, in today's video we're going to be making these cute little ornaments. Stay tuned. Welcome friends, and before we start today's video, let's find out who the winner is. Who is going to get this cute little makeup bag? All right, let's see. Let me see if I can get this going here. And the winner is Linda Beard. Hi Linda, congratulations. Be sure and look up my email in the description box and send me an email with your information. Congratulations, friend. Okay, now let's just get on to the craft. The supplies needed for this project are cellophane wrap, styrofoam balls, skew sticks, paints, paint brushes, Mod Podge, toothpicks, glitter, scissors, ribbon, and wire cutters. All right, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a cute little craft that is so easy to do. You're going to need 3 of these little styrofoam balls. Woo! And friends, I got these at the Dollar Tree. They're 4 to a package for $1. You can also get them at Walmart. They come 12 to a packet for, believe $4.79. The first thing I do is I put a skew stick in each little ball. This is really quick and easy, and it turns out so cute. Okay. And I'm just randomly picking these 3 colors. You can pick any color you want. You're going to dip your brush in the paint, and you're going to apply a generous amount on your styrofoam ball here. Friends, I'm so excited. I just love all these ornaments, but guess what? I need to move on to my Halloween crafts. Wait till you see what I've been brewing up. But I still need to get to my little gingerbread girl, and I will be sharing that with you shortly, or soon rather. 1 good thick coat is all it takes. You know what? And I'm just going to place it right here. Now I'm going on to the next color, the pink. Again, a generous amount, just 1 coat to cover the styrofoam ball. Have y'all priced the ornaments lately? Good God, it's insane how expensive they've gotten. I'm glad that we can craft on a budget and still come up with a cute ornament for not a whole lot of money. I like to make pretty things, but I don't like to spend a bunch of money making them. I'm a crafter on a budget. I remember when my husband told me that I could retire early, and I got so excited, and I went to school and I told all my friends, guess what? My husband said, I don't have to work anymore. So, see y'all, wouldn't want to be y'all. And then, guess what, friends? My husband tells me, he says, oh, you can retire, but you have to be on a budget. What? Budget? What's that? What does that mean? Oh my gosh.
Well, needless to say, I retired and rehired with my school district. And they took me back. I was so excited. And I had the best time. Yeah, and now I am retired and I am on a budget. So that's why I'm a bargain hunter when it comes to craft supplies and crafts and all that good stuff. I love pretty things, but I don't like to pay a bunch of money for them. Yeah, the nerve of your daddy to tell me that. Budget. What's that mean? All right. You've got them base coated. They're going to dry really quickly if you put them out in the sun. I'm just going to stick them right here for right now because I've got a set all ready to show you the next step. And friends, these are so colorful, you can pick any color you want. So you've got them base coated, just one coat, and look, they cover real well. So your next step is going to be putting some Mod Podge on them. Let me get a little water in here. You cover them up with Mod Podge. One good coat. Normally I stand them up on something that will hold them up. I don't lay them on a plate, but for filming purposes, I'm going to do that. So this is so much fun to do. You can make these with your friends or family or grandkids or kids. You can let them pick the colors. And you can do the Mod Podge on them and let them sprinkle the glitter on. They'll be so proud of themselves. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It goes real fast. Mainly the drying time is what takes the longest. But right now, like I said, friends, it's pretty hot outside. I put some things outside to dry this morning and didn't take them long at all. Okay, you've got them all covered with Mod Podge. The next thing you're going to do, and I'm using this, it's called Snowy Surprise. It's chunky glitter, and I love it. And all three of them are going to get the same coat. Same coat of the same glitter. I love this chunky glitter. Okay, there's one. Look at that. It's already transforming them into such pretty, pretty glittered balls. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's acting kind of wonky on me there. Okay, set aside, let them dry. Let's move these off because guess what, friends? I already have 3 that are dried and ready. Look how pretty these are. When they're good and dry, what you're going to do is you're going to take a toothpick and you're going to try to insert it in the same little hole that you put that skew stick in, which I can't find it here. I'll just do this number. And they're going to be, chances are they're going to be a little bit too long, so you take your cutters here. Close your eyes, Eric. Okay, and then you're going to attach it to your other one right there. Grab your other toothpick.
Maybe this one doesn't need to be cut. All right, you've got all of them connected. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your cellophane paper. And this roll is almost empty, but it's gonna do the job. And friends, I allow myself plenty on the sides here because once you put your ribbon on them to tie the ends up, it tends to shrink on you. Let's see. So I'm gonna cut it. About there. And you know, the Dollar Tree has some of this cellophane, and it's not a bad buy for when you need just a little bit. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a piece of tape just to hold it in place right here in the middle. And if you're going to use a piece of tape, please use a clear tape. Not the cloudy one. And what I do is I go ahead and twist the sides like this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. You know, friends, I get so excited. All right, so you're going to grab your ribbon, and this is just a piece that I found I'm going to use. And I'm just going to tie a little basic bow on here. Hopefully it won't take me too long, Eric. Boy, Eric's being so quiet and reserved today.
Trying to focus. Tired.
My poor Eric. And friends, there is no wrong way of doing this. This is going to be cute either way. Come on. Go. Squeeze it tightly. Don't leave a gap down here. So now let's do this side. That's a perfect little piece of ribbon there. Well, this didn't do right. What happened here? Here it is. Friends, these are going to be so cute on the tree or just for decoration on your table. Oh my gosh. And how quick and easy was this? And not to mention inexpensive. Okay, then you're going to trim the ends. And then I kind of like to open them up a little bit. Friends, how cute is that? You don't even have to put a hook on these if you don't want to, because these will stay on the branches of your tree. How cute. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and give me a thumbs up and comment and let me know if you'll be making any of these for Christmas. Until then, see you next time, friends. Thanks for your love and support. Love y'all.